In the installation Zerrfalten by Nelson Vergara and Stefan Schultz, the movement in time and space will be folded together into one single image. Placed beside each other, these pieces create a document of a time in which the movement of the visitor's body leaves a trace. The images consist of different captured moments, and it changes depending on the distance of the visitor to the projection. The closer the visitor gets to the projection, the smaller and more detailed is the compressed movement of time. The further the visitor moves away from the projection, the wider the lines get, and the more can be seen of the visitor, but he is too small and far away to be seen clearly. The image of the visitor dissects like an onion into many layers through time. These images, or slices, are placed beside one another by a computer. The created composition is changing constantly, depending on the visitor's position. As soon as the second visitor enters the space and walks by the projection, the created image gets destroyed. The act of demolition also brings the original single frames from the video back to appearance. The illusion of the collected movements in space is being unfolded again by the second visitor. The visitors are creators and destroyers of subjective imagery. Only together they create a connection between themselves and the single frames. The realistic depiction evades from a fixed observation through the movement of the visitor and shows the dependence of perception and movement. The installation's theme is the relation of a captured instant and the movement in time and space. The change from focused and unfocused depiction seems like an imitation of the human eye and plays with the smallest atoms of the video image, the pixels. Similar to the discussions of cubists and futurists like Duchamp about the possibilities of depicting reality in painting in relation to photography, this installation questions the depiction and perception of time and space in video in relation to photography.